Today I am going to make chocolate mug cake in microwave. Take a mug, add 4 tablespoons of maida. Add some 3 tablespoons of castor sugar. We can add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add half tablespoon of baking powder. Add 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix it well. 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. Add 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Add 1 tablespoon of whipping cream. We can add vinegar. We can add half tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Add few drops of chocolate vanilla essence. We can put it in a beautiful mug. Now let's put in microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's wait. Now let's take it from the microwave. We can decorate it with chocolate syrup.